Let's get started with setting up the Ooni Koda 2 Max gas-powered outdoor pizza oven. First, pick a sturdy surface, make sure the oven's mouth faces away from the wind and keep it at least a meter from anything flammable. For unboxing, remove the lid and place it upside down to help with assembly. Next, remove the central outer box section. With some assistance, lift the oven out, place it upside down on the lid, and take off all the packaging. Attach the legs by using the included Torx key to secure the rear leg with 4 screws, then plug in the ignition cable. Complete the setup with the front legs using 3 screws each. Install the ignition battery by unscrewing the cap, inserting the battery, and screwing it back on. Then move on to the digital temperature hub. Start by inserting the batteries, attach the mounting bracket to the underside of the oven with 2 screws, and secure the hub to the bracket with a thumb nut. Plug in ambient temperature cables A and B, keeping them organized with the clip underneath the oven. With some help, flip the Koda 2 Max upright in the location you've chosen. Carefully slide in the pizza stones, rounded corner facing back. Finally, connect the gas hose and tighten it with a wrench, and you're ready to go.